So the next problem is a cylinder of 4 meter diameter is placed between two plates, moving with again a same velocity of 5 meter per second and 2 meter per second as shown in the figure. Find angular velocity of the cylinder. So you can see I have kept the values as it is, just change the direction of VB. So I have just changed the direction of VB, that VB is moving in the opposite direction with a velocity of 2 meters per second. Now this is a case of a cylinder in between two parallel plates with opposite velocities. So for this kind of case, we have seen that ICR lies anywhere on this diameter line and inside the body. But what is that location? What is that actual location? Same process we will follow again. What I will do, I will make a line of proportionally 5 meter per second here. A proportional line which will indicate the figure of 5 meter per second. Now if this is 5 meter per second and I want to make a line 2 meter per second here, and that 2 I will make in this direction, left side, because the velocity is in left direction. So I will make a line corresponding to 2 units in this particular direction. So let us say this is 2 meter per second. Then what we do, we just need to join this line. So we will join this line, this point with this particular point. So after joining, the point at which they intersect, the diameter will be known as your ICR. So simple, draw the velocities to the proportional limits, join both the lines, wherever it intersects, that gives you ICR. So we have, in previous problem we have considered that this I lies at a distance of x from this point. So same I will consider here also. Let us say this I lies at a distance of x from this particular point. So if this is x, what will be this distance from this point to this point? It will be 4 minus x, because the entire diameter is 4. Now again applying concept of similarity in this triangle. Let us say I, and let us say I will name it as M, and this is as P, and let us say this is N and O. So for similar triangles ION and IMP, what I can write? I can write 5 divided by 4 minus x, that is base of one triangle divided by height of triangle, that is 4 minus x, will be equal to 2, that is base of this triangle divided by height of this triangle is x only. So just by using concept of similarity, what I will get? The answer for x as 1.142 meter. That means the distance from this point to this point is, from I to O, is 1.142 meters. Now we want to find angular velocity of the cylinder. So I have the relation V is equal to R omega. In previous case we have solved by taking A as reference. Now let us say I am solving by taking B as the reference. You can take anything. If I take B here, what will be here? R will be from I to B. Okay, and omega will be omega itself, because there is only one body. So I will write here VB is equal to IB into omega. IB means this one, I to B. So VB equal to IB into omega. IB we already found out as x, which is 1.142, and VB is already given to us as 2 meters per second. So what I will write, I will just substitute this, and I will get answer for omega as 1.75 radian per second. So again, exactly similar problem to the previous one. Just what was the difference? In previous problem, ICR came outside the body, and in this problem, ICR came inside the body. Just 4 line problems fetching you 5 to 6 marks. So hope you have understood